Hello and welcome to the weekly roundup for the week ending 4th of June. We're coming to you live this week from the beautiful Cardiff Bay at St Ives. As you can see, an absolutely stunning backdrop for the G7 summit and all the world dignitaries, and also, the home of Atlantic capital markets. For those of you out there that are a bit disappointed with Biden's policy so far and the impact on the market, don't worry, I'll be having a little word with him when I see him pull up, see if we can't swing it back to a market positive sentiment. But what's been going on this week then? Well, both US and European indices continue to hover around the highs. Relatively quiet week. Economic data in the UK and Europe has been encouraging. PMIs have showed strong expansions in both manufacturing and services as pandemic restrictions continue to ease. But Europe's also seeing COVID numbers decline and vaccine numbers rising, which is also helping the positive sentiment. FTSE's on track to book a very mild gain of around 0.5% this week. DAX is on for about 0.6. Over in the US, we're still seeing concerns that the Fed could move sooner and tighten that monetary policy. That's all been reignited as a trio of very strong data yesterday has fueled concerns that the Fed could start to taper support soon. And as a result, we've seen the tech-heavy Nasdaq tumble 1%, underperforming its peers. Higher growth tech stocks are more sensitive to interest rate expectations. Dow Jones on track to gain 0.1 this week. A lot also hinges on the non-farm payrolls that we're going to see later on today. Over in the FX market, US dollar is set to gain 0.5% across the week on the back of strong ISM services data and also initial jobless claims as they did drop to a fresh pandemic low. Prospect that the Fed could also tighten policy is boosting the greenback. Euro against the dollar set to lose 0.6 this week on the back of the stronger US dollar and despite upbeat Eurozone PMI data as well. Pound against the dollar. Pound is also set to decline 0.5% this week, really against the stronger US dollar. Over in the commodities, gold trades down 1.6 this week. Most of the losses being booked on Thursday, actually, as the US dollar jumped on strong US labour market data. In the stocks, key movers, oil majors have performed well this week on the back of rising oil prices. BP's up over 5%, whilst Royal Dutch Shell is up 4%. Wickes, the DIY and home improvement retailer, trades 8% higher as well across the week after reporting that sales have surged past pre-pandemic levels this year. Wizz Air, the budget airline, does trade over 6% lower this week after warning of full year losses unless the travel restrictions disappear. And over in the US, we've seen Zoom trading down 3.5% across the week, reporting a blowout on earnings. Q1 results beat estimates across the board, but the video conference company also now sees 50% revenue growth for the year as expansion from the pandemic fueled 2020 slows off. So thank you very much for watching. We'll be updating throughout the course of the week from the G7 summit. Any messages, any comments, please put them down below. Look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thank you.